जी अस्सलाम वालेकुम once again welcome back to your own channel AR Trainings Official. So Blender 3.5 is finally released and I think it is going to be a complete jam-packed package of new features and improvements. At first, the major new feature of Blender 3.5 is the Blender built-in asset library, right? This library contains multiple hair assets of different style that can be divided into subcategories like generation, deformation, utility, read, write, and many more, etc. Okay, it's not quite difficult. You just have to drag and drop the assets to your scene. Once you play with these settings, you can get a better idea of how you can tweak those you can tweak your scene in different ways, right? Next update is about the generation of hair curves. You can even add new and updated hair curves on a surface of mesh object at certain locations or point locations. Okay, you can also play with hair length, UV map, and density, etc. Moving forward, next we have the interpolate hair curves and the duplicate hair curves, right? So you can also interpolate your existing hair curves plus duplicate your hair curves with a certain number of times, and I think it is definitely a good step by Blender. You can snap, align, and blend your hair curves in more defined manner, plus clump your hair curves with the help of curve kite. In last, you can curl, braid, freeze, and roll and smooth your hair curves in more defined manner with multiple in-depth features. Okay, so overall I would say that it is a complete package of improvements and features for the 3D artist. So that's all for today. I hope this video is going to be a very informative and helpful for you. So don't forget to subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon for notification. Keep watching, keep supporting. More interesting informative tutorials are uploading very soon, so stay tuned. Thanks a lot, thanks a million, thanks a bunch.